Sabihin nyo na yung totoo para matapos na ako kasi sandali lang naman sana ako eh. Kung hindi lang paligoy-ligoy kayo, tapos na ako eh. Sinabi mo na naman si Secretary Remulla eh. Eh puro kwentong kutsero naman ang...
He confirms.
So the last question now, since you volunteered to accompany the former president to The Hague, kahit na irregular, illegal lahat ang mga proseso, will you also volunteer kung sakasakali na babalik na ang dating Pangulo na ikaw rin ang mag-uwi sa kanya?
According to Asik Lacanilao, he doesn't know exactly the contents of the document, but he was just informed that there was a document that designated or allowed him to accompany the former president, Your Honor, being OSETC.
Why do you think, Mr. President, I should believe that statement? He referred to a document which content he doesn't know. Ang alam niya lang niya, eh pinasasama sa kanya, Pangulong Duterte. What kind of reasoning is that, Mr. President? Sabihin nyo na yung totoo para matapos na ako kasi sandali lang naman sana ako eh. Kung hindi lang paligoy-ligoy kayo, tapos na ako eh.
Well, according to him, it was in the nung nagkaroon daw ng investigation dito regarding that, according to Secretary Remulla of the LG, that yun lang po na sinasabi that he was well documented when he accompanied the former president, Your Honor.
Sinabi mo na naman si Secretary Remulla eh. Eh puro kwentong kutsero naman ang... Ganito na lang. Kung sakasakali, Mr. President, kung sakasakali lang naman, ano, ito po kasi, tama naman yung aking suspecha, Mr. President. There was already an admission on the part of Ambassador Lacanilao then nung nag-hearing ang isang committee in the Senate on the arrest of FPRRD, na nag-volunteer ka lang eh. Because there is no available official of PCTC o walang personnel, kaya ikaw ang nag-volunteer. There is a transcript to this effect that you just volunteered. So there is no document. So, which is very, very clear, Mr. President, that he himself volunteered due to the unavailability of personnel from PCTC. So he arrogated upon himself something that was not lawfully delegated to him. Sa mga kapatid, talagang parang bayad lang. Parang papremyo lang sa kanya ito. Kaya pala hindi niya maipaliwanag kung bakit siya. Alam mo, Mr. President, ganito po yan eh. Lahat po ng notice ng isang korte, lahat ng sabpina o anumang klase ang ipatupad ng korte, yung sheriff po ang nagdadala. Kumbaga, yung PCTC dapat ang nagdala sa Pangulong Duterte. Pero kayo po nag-volunteer. Tama po. Ito
Yes,
po
Your
ang
Honor,
transcript.
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. President. Inaamin po ni Asik Lacanilao na siya po ay nag-volunteer.
Oh, nag-volunteer. So wala na yung dokumento ah. Wala na yung dokumento eh. Hindi mo nga maipaliwanag kung anong content ng document. Eh, kwento lang yun. Kwentong kutsero lang. Yes?
Well, sabi po kasi niya, yun daw yung nabanggit nung sa Senate hearing na he was documented.
You were documented as what? Kanina dokumento yung sinasabi mo ngayon. Ikaw na ang dokumento. Ano ba yun?
Nung siya po ay nagboluntaryo, kinakailangan daw mabigyan ng dokumento para po siya po ay makaalis.
So okay, the document says that you volunteered. Kasi nasa transcript talaga ng Senate, ano eh.
Yes, Your Honor. He confirms.
So the last question now, since you volunteered to accompany the former president to The Hague, kahit na irregular, illegal lahat ang mga proseso, will you also volunteer kung sakasakali na babalik na ang dating Pangulo na ikaw rin ang mag-uwi sa kanya?
He says that if there is an order for him to do so, he will volunteer to bring
Paano
him back.
magiging voluntaryo kung ordering ka pa? Kaya nag-volunteer ka kanina. Mario Joseph naman na usapan ito.
Kung may order daw, siya po isusunod yun.
Hindi na voluntaryo yun. Inorderan ka na. Mandate na yun eh. Salamat po, Mr. President. Pasensya na po at humaba lang ng konti. Maraming salamat po, Mr. Sponsor.